Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you exactly how you can convert a task in your Asana workspace to entire project. So let us get started right away. So let's assume you have a pretty huge and important or relevant task, and it's too big actually to be classified as a task. So you would like to convert it into a project so that it is listed here inside your workspace on the left panel as a separate project and not as a task here under my task. So this is how you can do it, guys. Here on Asana, log into your account, select the workspace here in the top right corner by clicking on your profile icon and by selecting it here. So let me go with that workspace. After that, head over to My Tasks or to the My Tasks section to go through that list of all associated tasks within your workspace. And after that, simply go through that list and select the task you'd like to convert to a project. So let me go, for example, with that task here, invite guests. So click on it to access its customization editing. So what you want to do here, guys, is go through it, for example, add assignee, set a due date, add dependencies, describe it, add subtasks, and so on and so forth, guys. So to convert that task to a milestone, a goal, or a project, all you need to do, guys, is click on these three dots in the top right corner. And here, hover your mouse over convert to and decide or select its new status or type, like for example milestone, approval, subtask, or project. So let me go with project, and after that go through that short setup. So you may leave the name, for example, or rename the project. Set a status, privacy status, like for example visibility for your entire workspace or only for selected members. You may use also a template for that project, or use a blank project, for example. And once you're done, guys, simply click on convert here, and that is going to convert the given task to a project. As you can see now, the task has been moved to that section here in the left panel inside your workspace to projects. You will also see here that notification converted to project. So you may enter that project here, and as you can see, it looks like a project now. You may set a status, view it through an overview, through a list, board, timeline, and so on and so forth. So treat it basically as a project, and that's how you convert tasks to projects on Asana. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time.